So in the last video we had covered 1.1. Today we'll cover 1.2 of the JavaScript language. So let's go to this 1.2, and this one says that manuals and specifications for JavaScript. What is the manuals and what is the specifications? So then coming to the specification part, the first line says that the ECMA 262 specification contains the most in-depth, detailed and formalized information about JavaScript. So if we'll go to this one, ECMA 262, and we'll see view in HTML, so you'll see that this is the core or basics, like the fundamental of JavaScript, how it is written, how it is doing the memory management, how the data structures have been inside it. So all those the basics, the base of it for the JavaScript, those comes from this ECMA 262 specification. But this is a difficult research to understand. So so this is also mentioned in the next line, but being that formalized, it is difficult to understand that at first, right? So that is the 1,000 feet overview of it. You don't need to rush into depth of that one. Then coming to the manuals, so MDN JavaScript reference is the main manual. So let me open this one as well. So this is the MDN link. MDN JavaScript reference is the main manual with JavaScript and other information. It's great to get in-depth information about individual language and function and methods. So what it is saying is, if there is something, let's also I will cover it in another way. Let's say you want to understand a JavaScript sum operator or map operator. So if you Google that one, most likely you will see the first link as the MDN link. Or it is saying also, if you want to, for example, see %, you could search in Google MDN %. That is the definition. That is the basic of it. That's where it is defined. For example, I'll search MDN %, right? So you can see this is the % function it is taking us, and there you could see that what this is doing. So this is the base link. So this is the link that I opened from this one, right? Developer Mozilla JavaScript reference. So here we have everything. So whatever you are using in JavaScript, the eval function is none, everything is here. You could read about it. Either you go here, read everything, or whenever you want to learn something, just in Google add this prefix of MDL and you will go to that page. That is the basic, the main the source where everyone is seeing, right? For example, you can see this parts in W3 School is also covering that one, but the base is here. From this source, W3 Schools has got those information. MDN is not getting this information from W3 School. W3 is getting this information from MDN. So being said that, we need to understand that this is the base source for the all the JavaScript informations. So that's what is covering in the manual section. Then compatibility tables. So in the first video also we had discussed about this one. We had discussed about this caniuse.com. If you go over here, so here you could see which browser supports what and all those things. And apart from that, also there is another GitHub repository for the compact table. So if you go here, so let's say REST operator, REST parameter or for loop. So here you could see which are the browsers that support this one. For example, if this is the REST operator, you could see here if is Firefox FF and C is Chrome and Edge, and 133 is the version number. Which browser, which version supports that particular thing? Those things you could see from these two websites. One is this caniuse.com, another one is this GitHub link that you can see in this compatibility tables. So that was all for this 1.2. It was a very small thing to cover. So in the next video we'll see the 1.3 for that. So just to make sure you get the updates whenever I'm publishing a video on javascript.info, make sure to subscribe.